Adah and the Black Hole Mystery. Once upon a time, there was a curious little girl named Adah who loved learning about space. Every night she'd sit by her bedroom window, wrapped in her cozy blanket, staring up at the stars twinkling in the dark sky. She would wonder about all the incredible things out there, hidden in the universe. One evening, as Adah sat on her bed, her mom came in to tuck her in. Adah looked up, her eyes wide with curiosity.
What are the stars made of, and what happens to them when they get really old?
Her mom smiled and said, "Well, Adah, stars are like giant balls of glowing gas, far, far away from us. They shine bright and beautiful for a very long time. But when a star gets old, it has a special kind of goodbye." Adah's eyes sparkled with excitement.
A special goodbye? What happens?
Her mom pointed out the window to a bright star twinkling high above. "See that star? Someday it might turn into something called a supernova. When a star gets very old, it begins to shine brighter and brighter until, boom, it explodes in a burst of light and colors." Adah gasped, imagining a shower of sparkling lights filling the night sky.
But Mom, where does the star go after it explodes?
She asked softly. Her mom leaned closer, her eyes twinkling. That's the really mysterious part, Adah. After a supernova, sometimes the star leaves behind something very powerful called a black hole.
A black hole?
Adah whispered in wonder. Her mom nodded. Yes, a black hole. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that it pulls everything around it inside, even light. If light can't escape, it makes the black hole completely invisible, as if it is hiding in the darkness. Adah looked out her window at the stars, her imagination buzzing. She tried to picture a black hole, a secret invisible spot in the sky that pulls in anything nearby, even light itself.
But if you can't see a black hole, how do we know it is there?
She asked. Her mom smiled, loving her daughter's curiosity. Well, scientists look for clues, like how other stars and planets move near it. When something gets too close, the black hole pulls it in, almost like a powerful vacuum cleaner in space. It's as if there's a hidden doorway in the universe that we cannot see. But we know it's there because of how everything else moves around it. Wow, Adah murmured, imagining stars and planets slowly spiraling toward a black hole disappearing into the darkness.
Do things just stay inside the black hole forever?
That's part of the mystery, her mom explained. Some scientists think everything inside gets squished down very small, while others believe a black hole might lead to another place in space, like a secret tunnel to a new world. Adah's mind filled with incredible images. Stars bursting into supernovas, black holes pulling in stardust, and hidden tunnels leading to other worlds. She felt as if the universe was alive with secrets, just waiting to be explored.
Do you think I could visit a black hole one day, Mom?
She asked, her voice filled with wonder. Her mom tucked the blanket snugly around her and gave her a warm smile. Maybe, my little explorer. If you keep asking questions and learning, who knows what you will discover? The universe is full of mysteries, and one day you might be the one to uncover them. As Adah lay back in her bed, gazing out the window at the stars, she felt her heart full of dreams. She knew that someday she would explore the universe and uncover its secrets. And as she drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of supernovas, black holes, and the endless wonders waiting for her among the stars.